Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Zorin OS 17 on VMWare Workstation 17.5. So this is my latest version of VMWare Workstation, so I upgraded to 17.5. Now let me create one new virtual machine. So provide the installer disk image file. So Zorin OS 17 core 64-bit is the name of the ISO file. So it's a flavor of Ubuntu operating system. So I am selecting Ubuntu 64-bit as a version. Next, provide the name Zorin OS. And finally provide the path where the Zorin OS virtual machine is getting stored. Click next button. So 40 GB hard disk size. Store virtual disk as a single file. Customize hardware. 8 GB RAM. Processor, 4 CPU cores. Okay, finish. So start the Zorin OS 17 virtual machine. So try and install Zorin OS. Okay, so you can see the installation screen has arrived. English will be the default language. Select the option install Zorin OS. Select the keyboard layout. So I will download and update the software. So check whatever the options you need and continue. So Zorin OS 17 operating system is the latest one in the Zorin. Okay, select the option erase disk and install Zorin OS. Install now. Continue. So select the location. So now provide the login username. Provide the computer name and provide the password for the login user. Continue. Okay, now restart. Welcome to Zorin OS. Okay. So you can see that screen size is adjusted automatically. So and go to virtual machine settings, options, guest isolation. You can see the drag and drop and shared clipboard is enabled by default. So now I am going to check whether shared clipboard is working or not. Okay, let me copy paste this terminal output to Windows host machine notepad. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So shared clipboard is working fine. So by default VMWare Tools are got installed, so no need any manual installation. So I can able to copy paste the content from host machine to Zorin OS virtual machine. Now let me try the drag and drop. So I am trying the drag and drop. Yes, I can able to drag and drop the files. So drag and drop also is working fine in Zorin OS. So final step is I am going to enable the shared folder. So I am going to enable the shared folder. So I am shutting down the Zorin OS 17. Go to settings once again. Okay, always enabled. Now browse the folder from Windows host machine. That is, I am going to mount on Windows host machine folder to Zorin OS 17 VM. So this is the name of the folder, and enable this share. Finally select the option enable this share. Okay. After starting the operating system, run this command vmware-hgfs-client. You can see that shared folder is mounted, but we need to access the content. Okay, so I am logging as a root user in terminal and edit the file fstab /etc/fstab. So add this line to fstab file. On it. Add this line to fstab file. Okay, vmhgfs-fuse space /mnt/hgfs space fuse space defaults comma allow underscore other space 0 space 0. That's it. Save the file. So now next I am creating one directory under /mnt. So it will be named as hgfs mount -a. So this will mount all the directories. Okay. So now open another tab, login as a Java forum user. Go to hgfs folder. Yes, I can able to browse the content of shared folder now. So finally, Zorin OS 17 installation on VMware Workstation 17.5 with VMWare Tools is successful. So VMWare Tools is installed automatically. So no need any manual installation yet. Okay.